How to solve Instagram an unexpected error occurred problem. Instagram unknown error, unable to log in, an unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again on Instagram. Why does Instagram say unexpected error occurred? There are several reasons why you may receive this error on Instagram. It could be due to network issues, server problems, or corrupted data. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram unknown error or unexpected error occurred problem. So, let us start. Step 1. Clear corrupted data. Open the settings on your phone. Scroll down to then apps. Go to Instagram. Then storage. Here you need to clear cache. Now open Instagram app and see if the problem is fixed. Step 2. Update Instagram app. Outdated app version causing compatibility problems. Another reason why you might receive an unexpected error has occurred. Message as if you are using an outdated version of the Instagram app. Find Instagram in the Google Play on your device. Look for the Update button near the top of the screen. Your Instagram app is current if you don't see the Update button. Otherwise, install updates as needed. Step 3. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Mobile phone apps may not work correctly due to corrupted data. You can only tell if your Instagram app has these issues if you uninstall and reinstall it. So, this is how to solve Instagram unexpected error occurred problem. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.